Want to get better at LinkedIn when it comes to your personal brand? I am going to give an audit now. I'm going through 87 connections. I just checked in this morning, and I want to tell you why I connect with some people and why I don't. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Kelly Lundberg. I take personal brands from being hidden to seen by supporting them with all the branding in between. What does that mean when it comes to your LinkedIn account? Well, first of all, if you haven't watched any of my videos, LinkedIn I absolutely love as a platform when it comes to building your personal brand. It's one that so many people are on. It's just not as noisy as some of the other platforms. And that is because I think a lot of people don't know what to post. So first of all, I want you to go through when I'm looking at accepting a connection, which by the way, I don't accept every single connection. And there's a reason for that. 30,000 connections are your limit with LinkedIn at this current time of recording. Now that means that people can still follow you, but it doesn't mean they can actually connect directly with you. What are some of the things that I look for? So I've blurred out faces, I've blurred out names because I don't want to actually be picking on people directly. But one of the things that I will look at is to see, do we have anyone in common? So this one here, we have 271 mutual connections. Here we have no mutual connections. If you really want to connect with someone and you have no mutual connections, then at least send a bit of a personal note as to why do you want to connect with them, to give a reason. So for me, I would not accept that request there as well. Why would I not accept this one? Well, I don't know this person because I am so fed up of people going, I'm so impressed by your work and we'd love to feature you in our cover of X, and then all they want to do is charge you for that. That is pretty common. So for me, that now is an instant rejection. So see here, we've got 300 mutual connections. So for me, that's a strong contender. What I wish this person had done was been a bit clearer as to marketing manager. They could be people I could connect with, but I'd love to know, quick glance, marketing in what or how, just that little bit more information. Let's see if I can give you an example of someone who does that. This sort of line underneath your name is not for you to be put in your title, and so many people make that mistake. Let's see if we've got someone here that I can have. Okay, so this one here, I wouldn't accept anyone that can't be bothered putting a profile picture in. Okay, here's a good example. Head of sales and marketing, driving revenue, brand growth. And so it gives me a little bit more information as to what this person does. And I'm like, okay, brand growth, and maybe I could support someone in that. So I go, do you know what? I will accept that as well. What else do we have here? For me, I get inundated with freelance video editors via YouTube that all want to change my YouTube channel, and I'm a little bit over that, to be honest. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, here's a really good example. UK accounting and tax, UK Dubai tax planning. There's just a bit more information, so I'd be like, okay, that's useful. Scottish founder, okay, there's a connection, relatability. I'm Scottish, I will connect in that. Again, here I get the I'm now interested in personal branding, but for me, there's no profile picture. There's nothing that says where and how, what's the benefit? What's the benefit for someone connecting with you and vice versa? What else have we got here? At glance, again, and no picture. I'm going to go into a couple of profiles and see here what might stand out a little bit in more detail. Right, just same here. Okay, so here's a good one. Creative consultant, brand experience project manager. There's a little bit more information. We've got 48 mutual connections. I will accept that as well. I just go invest in a decent picture for people. There's nothing there for me to connect with. What else have we got? When you've got 100 connections each day to go into, I genuinely look at all of these. Make it really clear. That was a very kind of brief, having a quick look. I will go through the ones again and make a second decision on that. Do you have a profile picture? Make it clear, not a selfie, don't have sunglasses on, make sure it's just you and not multiple pictures. I would make it really clear, so rather than super far away, make it close up. Make sure that your description underneath your name tells people what it is that you do versus your job title as well. Make it interesting. Write a little message. If you have no connections in common, find the relatability. Love that post. Why did you like that post? Make it personal. I think people have really forgotten that social media platforms are meant to be social and develop relationships. So give this a thumbs up if you found this really useful. So I had a friend over the weekend that said, Kelly, would you mind just checking out my LinkedIn profile? I've updated it. Now, I've worked with George for a couple of years, helping her with her personal brand style, how she presents herself. And one of those goals was she needed to get some new pictures. Then she said, Kelly, I've updated my LinkedIn. Can you check it out? So I thought I would do a live audit and give feedback. And you can also learn from this too. So first of all, I can see she's updated her profile picture. I would like to see if she's got another profile picture where she's looking directly at you versus looking away. I would want to see something a bit clearer, and I think it's a bit of a distraction what's going on in the background. So I'd want to fix that and make that cleaner so it's a close-up one of just you. I like that she's updated her banner picture here, but I feel that it's an image that's not meant to be a banner picture. Like, I'd want to see it go all the way across, but she's got the right idea, helping expats grow, protect and enjoy their wealth wherever life takes them. So I'd want to see how we could make this actually fit so it looks like it's meant to be there. Okay, we have underneath here, she's updated, this is brilliant, chartered financial planner, great. These are all keywords, so she doesn't just say I'm a wealth manager. It's also, I specialize in helping British expats across the Middle East. She talks about UK tax and wealth management, helping plan a tax efficient future, and also highlights where she actually works, which is very important here in the Middle East. So I really like this update, and that she's also linked who she works for here as well. Okay, let's have a little look. So first of all, the profile, she's made it in first person. Always important that I think you want to make it really personal. For me, one of the first things that I would want to do is maybe change that everything starts with I. So I'd want to maybe reposition this so it comes, yes, it's about you, but it's not I. So maybe how can we value this? So I'll play around with it and send it back to her. I do love that she's put, in my spare time, I volunteer for this stray dog centre, helping find abandoned dogs. It just gets you to know her a little better as well. And that she has her own dogs, and you can see that she actually posts pictures of her dogs as well. So there's definitely a connection there. And she's got one featured post. I would maybe love to see on the featured a way that you could work with her. So could there be the option where there's a link to book a call with her, or to find out more and go to the website would be my suggestion here. And then she's got some activity. So it's great. 5 hours ago, she posted a picture. You can see that animals play a big part, and LinkedIn is about combining that personal brand of who you are, not just the same old work stuff. So I'm super happy with that as well. She's got all her previous careers here too, and then she's got some recent recommendations. Awesome work. So they'd be a few of my tips. Let me know how your LinkedIn is, and if you haven't connected with me yet, please do come and say hi. I'm super active on it and love growing and meeting people from all over the world. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll create more. Send me your profile. Maybe I can do an audit on yours too, and make sure that you have a personal brand that's not personal bland.